Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mix sea moss powder. Measure 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of liquid and whisk until smooth. Begin by choosing a base like water, juice, or almond milk and decide on warm or cold preparation. Slowly add powder while stirring to avoid clumps. Taste and adjust thickness by adding more liquid or powder until you reach a pleasant consistency for drinking or recipes. Start by preparing your tools and ingredients and warming the liquid slightly for easier blending. Add measured sea moss powder to a bowl, then pour the warmed liquid gradually while whisking to avoid clumps. For a smooth result, transfer the mix to a blender and pulse briefly until silky. Cool or use immediately based on the recipe, and store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for later use. Sea moss powder works well in both savory and sweet dishes when balanced with complementary flavors. Try adding lemon, ginger, or vanilla to reduce sea-like taste and enhance brightness. Use it in smoothies, soups, or desserts, and experiment with proportions to match texture needs. For topical uses like face masks, mix with aloe vera or honey for a soothing paste. Keep notes on favorite combinations to replicate results easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.